put your right hand in, you put your right hand out, you put your right hand in and shake it all about. This is a fun dance I haven't done in a while. So I tried it in front of the mirror and realized something is very different about watching my reflection doing the same dance I'm doing. This is me and this is the mirror me. Everything in my reflection is identical to me, from my size to the clothes I'm wearing, but something is different. Can you tell the difference between me and my reflected twin? When I shake my right hand, why does the mirror me shake the left hand? My image is flipped. This means my right side is my left for the mirror twin, and my left side is my right for the mirror twin. Mirrors reflect flipped images. But in that case, why don't we find our reflections strange? It's because our bodies are symmetrical. That is, if half of you were standing on one side of the mirror, the reflection would be a perfect copy of the half and look complete. Like this. Looks quite silly, doesn't it? But it's so much fun. This kind of symmetry, where two halves perfectly mirror each other along its line of symmetry, is called reflective symmetry or line symmetry. Confused? Let's try this with Felix, shall we? Now, I want to know if Felix is also symmetrical. To do that, I need to find his line of symmetry. This line should be placed where Felix's right and left side meet perfectly to look like you were holding up a mirror to one side. Let's see if we can find Felix's line of symmetry. Is that it? No. Both sides of Felix are not equal in this case. Try that again. Ah, yes, that's better. See how this line perfectly runs down where Felix's right half and left half meet? It appears like this line is a mirror reflecting one half of Felix. That's the line of symmetry, or the axis of symmetry. He has an eye and an ear on each side of the line. His nose and mouth are perfectly split down the line, and he even has the same number of whiskers on each side. Okay, now that we've seen me and Felix with our own axis of symmetry, let's see what else is symmetrical around. Have you ever noticed the letters ambulance written in reverse on the front? Do you know why they do this? This is done so that the drivers can see the reflection of the vehicle in their rear view mirror and see the word ambulance clearly. Now, when you take a closer look at the word ambulance and its mirror image, what do you see? If you look closely, you can see that the letters A, M, and U all appear the same in the mirror image as they normally would, while letters like B, L, N, C, and E look flipped. Why do you think that is? Yep, you got it. These letters are perfectly symmetrical. Let's take a look at the letter A. What if I flip it from left to right? How will it appear? It looks exactly the same as before. Am I right? In this case, you can call it symmetry. This is the letter A's axis of symmetry. It cuts the letter down the middle, and if you flip it from left to right, it remains the same. Let's take a look at the English alphabet and their mirror images to see which other letters share A's symmetry. Can you see which ones look the same even in their mirror images? Yes, H, I, M, O, T, U, V, W, X, and Y appear to be the same in their mirror images and are in fact symmetrical. Objects that are symmetrical are known to be visually pleasing. It's found in nature, and humankind has tried to use this while designing plenty of man-made objects. A few of the most common places where symmetry is used is architecture, art, and vehicular design. You too can try using symmetry in art too. just try the ink blot exercise at home to create some beautiful works of art. All you need is some ink or paint and a piece of paper. You too could end up with some stunning results like these. Symmetry is all around you. It really is. Look around you and see if you can find reflective symmetry around you. Just keep your eyes peeled and remember, we stay curious.